Hello friends, today we will be talking about the current situation in the crypto market, Kadena, and the outlook for the next 2-3 months. The current market situation is anything but pleasant. We're more or less in a consolidation phase with small fluctuations up and down. However, when you look at the bigger picture, we're definitely still in a crypto bull market. The total crypto market capitalization has been in a broader uptrend since April 2025, and as you can see from the RSI, this trend hasn't been broken so far. Let's take a look at gold. As expected, gold topped out at around $4,350 and is now settling a bit lower. In my opinion, whales and large institutional players will try to keep the price up there for a while longer and gradually sell off their holdings to retail investors. The capital freed up in this process will, following the positive CPI numbers and expected interest rate cuts, flow largely into stocks and crypto. Initially, this will pump Bitcoin probably to at least $135,000 to $140,000. After that, likely starting in late November, we'll see the first rotation into Ethereum and other major altcoins like Solana and XRP. In my view, Bitcoin dominance will slowly drop below the 50% mark by early December at the latest, which traditionally signals the start of altcoin season. I therefore expect the top for smaller altcoins to occur sometime in Q1 2026. By January or February 2026 at the latest, it might be wise to start taking some profits, but of course, that's a decision everyone has to make for themselves. Now let's talk about Kadena. Even though I wasn't personally invested in this coin, this topic is of course very painful for many people. While Kadena was still a top 200 coin back in December 2024, the price suffered heavily after the liquidation wave on October 10. 5 days ago, this post appeared on Kadena's X account, stating, "We regret to announce that the Kadena organization is no longer able to continue business operations and will be ceasing all business activity and active maintenance of the Kadena blockchain immediately." After that, the already low price of Kadena then plunged by almost 70% within a few hours and settled at around 6 cents. Even though they also said the Kadena blockchain is not owned or operated by the company. As a thoroughly decentralized proof-of-work smart contract blockchain, the network is operated by independent miners, while on-chain smart contracts and protocols are governed independently by their maintainers. In contrast to Bitcoin, virtually all altcoins are in fact operated or managed by the companies behind them. This token crash looks similar to the collapse of Mantra in April 2025, and once again makes one thing clear. To be profitable with altcoins, it's no longer enough to just blindly invest in everything you have, to do your own research, and invest only in coins that have a strong foundation. That's exactly why next week I'll be releasing a tier list of altcoins that, based on my research, fall into that category. If you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you soon.